It's always good news when any segment in the tire industry is thriving and growing. Take last mile delivery, for example. We're currently seeing a boom in this segment thanks to increased demand from consumers who order items online. With this increase in demand, there's also a need for the tires to be designed in a specific way to fit the niche needs of LMD vehicles. Let's talk about the development process for LMD tires and the technologies that go into meeting a specific set of criteria these vehicles demand. LMD tires fill a specific niche in the marketplace, so they should be designed to meet a set of unique criteria, meaning tire manufacturers need to develop LMD tires with technology to match. Attributes of LMD tires vary, from durability and fuel efficiency to features that minimize downtime. LMD fleets generally operate in urban environments, so tire durability is a very important consideration for manufacturers in this segment. In urban environments, fleets also deal with frequent stops and starts along their route and require durable tires to keep up. In response, manufacturers develop LMD tires with a cut and chip resistant tread compound to deliver better wear life, as well as traction for stops and startups in wet or winter climates. LMD tires also need to be made with characteristics that improve fuel efficiency, as well as range and battery efficiency for EVs, as that segment of LMD fleets continues to grow. Also, tires that reduce rolling resistance and help deliver improved gas mileage can help with a fleet's bottom line, reducing costs. To meet the unique demands of LMD fleets, tires should include all-season and all-position characteristics, like traction and even tread wear for heavier loads. Durability of tire casing is also important for tire retreading. Fleets want tires that can be retreaded more than once to extend the value and lifespan of the tire. Buying new tires every time a truck needs one can get costly, so retreading can really improve a fleet's bottom line as well. Think about this with me. If fleets don't have the proper tires to perform in all these special conditions, a lot of money could be lost. Uptime is essential when delivering goods and services to consumers. A flat tire could mean packages are not delivered, meaning the fleet takes a hit to their bottom line. It's now more common than ever to pair a fleet's tires with digital tools that can alert potential tire issues before they become real problems. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcox Media. Thanks for watching.